Hi, I'm Giorgio Cassara and I work at DTS Lighting. We are a company for professional lighting fixtures and we are based in Italy where we produce our lighting fixtures since the 1980s. So this year is our 40th actually and we are celebrating especially here at ISE, and we will keep doing that this year. Regarding this trade show, we brought here two new moving head, which we recessed. You can actually see them behind me. On my left, you can see Euphony 3. This particular, it's a beam wash moving head. We're having 7 LEDs, 60 watt each. And we got then Alchemy 3, the recessed version for ceiling installation. This particular fixture is a pure wash. It's interesting not only because of its Fresnel lens, but also the LED engine having 6 colors, which is very interesting when it comes to white color temperature creation and so on. Of course, you can find much more information at DTS-lighting.it.